Hi there, my name is Derek and welcome to GamerBody. In this video, I'm doing a review on the Letscom wireless earbuds. You can see I have the box in my hand, unopened, and we are going to cut through with some scissors and show you what you get when you order these earphones. So these are hopefully to replace my over-the-ear headphones that you might have seen me wear in other videos. So again, these ones are ones that you can just put over the ear like this. My main issue with them right now is that they've been falling off. I will make a review probably for these in the future, but when they get sweaty and I'm doing something like skull crushers or even bench pressing, they can fall off. So I hope that these earbuds will stay in my ears for doing more athletic type of things, as well as doing my normal lifting routine. Alright, so without waiting around, let's jump in and see what's inside the box. Alright, so let's jump in, and so I got my scissors here. Let's go right through. I'm gonna rip open this box. Okay, so it comes in this big box, and it's this little teeny package. So I'll get rid of the box here. Don't down anymore. Get rid of this. Came with this as well. Alright, so we have the Letscom tiny box here. So again, these are just small earbuds that hopefully will fit in my ears first try. See if I don't destroy the box while using these things. Should probably use a knife, but our scissors will work. So right on the box it says you can go up to 10 meters. 3.5 hours of work time and up to 70 hours standby time. So that's not very long to begin with. This does have a good rating on Amazon. So again, I bought these for $27.99. But with California tax, it was $30.16. I bought them on November 11th. So it's been 2 days with Amazon Prime shipping. But here we go. So that we got in the box here. Again, here's the box. And then you get this little package. Here's the inside, just like a little thing. I don't know if there's any instructions. Accessories, okay. So you get like the charging piece for it. It's just a normal USB. And then you have earbuds, like different sized earbud things. Then we got a not happy, you can call them or get the customer service. A reminder, the earbuds can only be charged by a 5-volt adapter USB port. So just note that. And then we have the user manual on how to set them up. Okay, and then we have, let's rip this off. Yeah, all right. So what we're actually looking for is these earbuds. How the heck do you open them? I don't want to break it. So here's where you would plug in that cord. How do you open it though? What? Oh, almost broke it already. So it actually lit up already. So when I open it, so it starts like this. And when you open it, it actually lights up for you. You can take out these little earbuds here. So they're this size. They do have a little strip over them so that they're not charging while they're in there the whole time. So you take off this little plastic. Ah. All right. And then one goes in the ear. Is this the right ear? Yep. So this one goes in this ear. And this one goes in this ear. They feel a little big to start, but my voice is very muffled right now. It might look a little weird. I feel like they're really big, but overall, okay so far. And then we just have this carrying case. So that's really it. You just need really this thing to charge this case, because this case will charge these based on what it said online before I bought them. We'll see if these work out pretty well. So I am going to do like a full review on this product. To see how it works with my workouts. That's what the main concern is. But I'm going to go ahead and see if I can go through the user manual and set this up right now and get these going. Alright, so it took me about 5 minutes or so and I got these all paired up. One thing to note, when you turn them on the first time, there's this button right on the back of these that you have to hold down. Hold it for about 5 or so seconds. It'll go from a white light to, and this is the left one first. So you go from a white light to a blinking red and white, and that means it's in pairing mode. And then when I first got it on, only this one was working. You have to turn this one on as well. But once you have this one actually set up to whatever device you want, I have this set to my computer because I'm recording with my phone. Once you guys set up, you have to turn this one on, and it'll automatically pair between the two, and then you'll have sound. So right now I'm playing off Spotify. It sounds actually really, really good. But we'll have to do some testing. Again, I'll do a full review on this. I just want to see how long it would take. It took me about 5 minutes. I actually didn't even go through the instructions, really. I have it here, but it's just like turn it on, and then see these indicators, and then it says like if you see D32L, pair with that, and then put a code in if it asks for it. So again, it took me about 5 minutes, not too bad. overall. And again, my voice is pretty muffled. They fit pretty snugly so far. So I do like that. I can move my head around and they don't fall off at all. So that's good. So that'll be good for my workouts. The big thing is when they get sweaty, we'll see how they hold up when I get sweaty and doing my workouts. But I really did buy these mainly for doing my workouts and to see if they replace those, because again, those do fall off if my ears and head get really sweaty during a workout and I'm laying on my back, say like on my adjustable bench or something like that. So far, so good. I'm going to play a song here. Let's see how it sounds. Let's go with the Avengers. Sure, why not? It's going to play. Okay, yeah, I hear it now. Now, I haven't gone through the controls. Again, I'll do that more in a full review of how you make it louder and quieter, if that's even possible. I'll probably have to read through this manual a little bit. But it does sound really good. Kate, talk to me for a second.
Hey, what's up?
So I can still hear Kate. It doesn't block her out entirely. But again, she'll be asleep for the most part when I'm using these, since it is for my workouts. So that's it for the unboxing. Again, it's just these little two earbuds. Now, I hope I don't lose them. It does come with this case that, again, you can just open. And you can put them right in, so right one here, left one in here. And the case should be charging it. And then you can take this around with you and have it charge on the go. And then when you need to charge the case, because it charges this, you just plug it into a USB and you are all set. So that is it for this unboxing of the Letscom, let's see the full name again, the Letscom wireless earbuds, upgraded Bluetooth 5.0, blah, 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 blah. But yeah, that's what I'm using right here. So again, I will be doing a full review on this after about a month's use of time to see if I think they'll hold up and replace my current headset. If you did like this unboxing video, please like and subscribe to this channel for more unboxing videos just like this one. Also, please head over to GamerBody.com and opt into my email newsletter. There you'll receive 7 cheat codes on how to build muscle, burn body fat, and be confident, all from the comfort of home. Alright, and that's it. So again, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Be fit and game on.